Good morning, students. Again, back at the maths class. Happy to have you all back. Dear children, as you all know, um, we have been practicing numbers from 1 to 50. Today, what we are going to go ahead and do is do a little bit of backward counting from 50 to 1. Okay, because we've done it from 20 onwards and we have coding. So we will first do the workbook, then move to the worksheet for the day. So let us begin. We are going to do backward counting. Remember, backward means पीछे से. 50, 49, 48. Repeat after me. 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 30. Backward counting is going on. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what had happened in the earlier class, my dear children? We had done comparing numbers, bigger and smaller numbers. We did before, after as well. But in today's worksheet, we will have a comparison and a mix of both, that is before and after, along with coding. Now, what is coding? This is the first time we are coming across coding. So we will have a quick look at coding. So kindly pay attention when I'm taking you through coding, because this is very important. You will have the video with you, and getting this concept clear is important. I was just taking the third standard evaluation and I saw you almost get coding for 3 to 4 marks when you're going to the higher classes. It's a very easy concept, but understanding of the concept is important. Now see how the coding works. Cross out the numbers that are not in order. So for standard 1, we are only going to do numbers from 1 to 50 as of now, and then backward 50 to 1, as you all know. 0 has no value. Then find the word that the rest of the letters make. 1 has been done for you. Write the complete sentence in the last line. So again, pay attention. Cross out the numbers that are not in order. Then find the word that the rest of the letters make. 1 has been done for you. Write the complete sentence in the last line. Now see the numbers 18, 12, 19, 20. Does 12 come after 18? No. So we will cross this out completely. Okay, as it's already been crossed. What does the numbers make? 18, 19, 20. P-H-E. You have to write here. P-H-E. What is the word? The. Same way, let's look at the things here. 45, 41, 42, 47, 43, 46, 44. Isn't it? So what is it? It has to be in order. Right? Now, let's look at the correct order. So, 45 does not come before 41. We will cut this out, the wrong numbers. 41, 42 are in order. 47 doesn't come after 42. 43, 44 will come. Now I have crossed this. Let's read the word F-A-I-R. Quickly write here F in the 4 lines, touching the lines. F-A. You know I'm using the stylus, so I won't be able to make the best of the strokes. You're aware of it now, but you should be able to make the neatest handwriting. All of this is going in capital. Fair. Here 9, 6, 10, 11. After 9 comes 10. This will be cut off. H-A-S. We will read all the sentences, all the words in the end. Let's just continue to do this one after another. Has. H-A-S. Has. 25, 27, 28. So 25 doesn't come before 27. 27, 28, 22 doesn't come after 28. I have cut this. 29, 30. What is the word? C. C. The word above the number, which is going in order. 27, 28, 29, 30. C-O-M-E. C-O-M-E. Right? You know how to make the E. 16, 49, 50. 16 doesn't come before this. So this is 49, 50. What is the letter? T-O-2. It is like solving a puzzle. Very important for mental ability and mental strengthening of the mind. 36, after this 37 doesn't come, and I enjoy doing these puzzles. 36, 37, 38, 39. 36, 37, 38, 39. What is the word? T-W-O-N. So what we are going to do, this last line is mentioned here, as you can see. Last line is given here. You have to write all the sentences together. What will you write? The fair has come to town. You know that fair that comes where we go for Mela? Mela in English is called fair. Okay. So please write the complete sentence here. This is called coding. What is this called? Coding. Let's try to do the worksheet based on this. Same thing. Before, after, between, and coding. Write the number that comes before 33. You all know this. This is 3 to 32. Get ready with the worksheet. Get ready with the worksheet. Number before 45. Before matlab pehle. Before matlab pehle. After matlab baad mein. After matlab baad mein. After 39 comes 4, 0, 40. After 40 comes 4, 1, 41. Okay. Write it neatly. Between 29 and 31. What will come? 3, 0, 30. 26 and 27. 2, 7, 27. Fill in the suitable numbers. What comes before 50? 4, 9, 49. 39, after 39, 40. This can also be asked without asking you before, after in form of a fill in the blanks. after 29 and before 21, 20. 25 के बाद comes 26 and before 41 comes 40. This is what we had done in the last class of before, after and between. Now we are going to be doing coding. Cross out the numbers that are not in proper order. Find the word with the letters left. So after 36, does 36 comes before 41? No. So let's cross this out. 41, 42, 43 is wrong. 43 is right. 44, 50 doesn't come. 45 is right. 46 is right. What is the word? The word is Nagpur, Nagpur. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 and 46. Same way. Let's cut the first one. 31 doesn't come before 37. 37, 38 are in order. After this comes 39. 40 has come first. 45 also doesn't come after 39. 40 and 41. What does it say? MATH. Nagpur Maths. So this is again a form of coding. And once we get into the practice of coding, we will be able to do it properly. Practice this at home. At least make one example of coding and do it. Okay. And I will see you in the next class. This is easy. Do not send any worksheets or on WhatsApp. We will be checking everything in the interaction. Please, parents, kindly make a note. We'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye.